Hi, welcome to MathKey. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the value of x in this simple exponential equation. So the very first thing we want to do is to ensure that the bases are all the same. So let's start now. 16 is written as 2 raised to the power of 4 in bracket, then 2x minus 3 times, this dot means times, 4 raised to power minus 2x, which is equal to 2 raised to power 4. So as you can see, here is already 2, but here is not yet 2. Here is 2, so we need to make here to be 2. So that means we're going to have 2 raised to power 4, open bracket, 2x minus 3, close bracket, times, this place now, we can now rewrite it as 2 raised to power 2, then raised to power minus 2x, which is now equal to 2 raised to the power of 4. So at this point, you can see that the bases are now the same. So what we are going to do now is to rewrite this again as 2 raised to power 4, 2x minus 3, close bracket, times, you deal with this place, you write this place just the way it is here, 2 raised to power 2, open bracket, minus 2x, that is applying the law of power here, that's the law of indices, equal to 2 raised to the power of 4. Now you can see that the bases are the same at the left hand side of the equation. So what we are going to do here is to apply the law of multiplication. That law says that a raised to power 3 times a raised to power 4 is equal to, the bases are the same, you pick one, a raised to power 3 plus 4. Remember we said that this dot you see here means multiplication, so we can pick one of the bases here and then add up the exponents. So let's apply the law of multiplication at the left hand side. So we are going to get 2, you pick one of the 2 here, raised to power 4, open bracket, 2x minus 3, close bracket, then plus 2, open bracket, minus 2x, bracket closed, equal to the right hand side, that's 2 raised to power 4. So since the bases are now the same, we can take them out and then we just equate the exponents. So on that note, we are going to get the exponents being equated, 2x minus 3, close your bracket, plus 2, open bracket, minus 2x, close bracket, equal to 4. That's the exponent is equal to this now. So at this point in time, we can now clear the bracket and solve for x. So 4 times 2x, we're going to do the expansion just like this, and then this multiplies the negative 2x in the bracket. So 4 times 2x gives us 8x, and 4 times minus 3 gives us minus 12, then plus 2 times minus 2x. A simpler way to do this is to first of all multiply the operation. Plus times minus is minus, and 2 times 2 is 4, then you keep your x. At the right hand side is equal to 4. So what do we do now? We rearrange and collect our like terms. At the left hand side, it implies 8x minus 4x, then minus 12 equal to 4. What did we do here? We only rearranged. Rearranged. We have just rearranged the whole thing, so nothing has actually changed. So what we are going to do now, 8x minus 4x implies 4x, then minus 12. You keep your negative 12. That's equal to the right hand side, which is 4. So from here, we can now collect our like terms. Negative 12 and this ordinary 4 are like terms because they do not carry any letters. So we have to take our negative 12 to the right hand side of the equation to get 4 plus 12. As the negative 12 crosses over to the other side of the equation, it becomes positive 12. So from here, we can now write that 4x equals 4 plus 12 gives us 16. So at this point, we just divide both sides by this 4. That's the coefficient of the variable x. So we have 4x equals 16. Divide here by 4. Divide here by 4. So now 4 cancels 4. And what is left here is just x, which is equal to 16 divided by 4, which is equal to 4. Hence, x is equal to 4.